Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering what are extensions for global modeling in sentence segmentation in speech, and sentence segmentation in text. I'll explain all these topics in detail. Guys, I have uploaded complete NLP subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first, I'll explain what are the extensions for global modeling in sentence segmentation. Guys, in sentence segmentation, global modeling means instead of checking each word in a sentence, we'll check entire sentence or paragraph at a time. After checking entire sentence or paragraph at a time, we'll find best possible places to break sentence. So we'll find best possible places to break sentence. That is to create boundaries. But there is problem with global modeling. That is, global modeling will not use parts of speech. That is, which word is noun, which word is verb, what is pronoun, adjective, etc. This model don't know about parts of speech. And instead of giving text, whenever we speak, this model cannot understand completely what we speak. So this model cannot use extra features like parts of speech and speech features. So in order to understand parts of speech and in order to recognize speech whenever we speak, we need to add some extensions to this global modeling. And that first extension is boundary token states. This boundary token states is suggested by Strieberg et al. By using this extension, this model can understand what we speak. Like this model can recognize our pitch voice. While speaking, whenever we pause, this model can automatically understand where particular sentence ends. So this model includes non-lexical features like pause, pitch, etc. in speech. And most of them are using this model in conversations and phone calls. And next extension is topic start or end states. We'll use this extension in topic segmentation. That is, in order to separate topics in given paragraph. It is suggested by Turitel. So whenever we give complete paragraph, this model can identify where topic starts, what is topic middle part, and where topic ends. This extension works well for news articles and as well as speeches. And third one is factored models. This extension is proposed by Huzitel. This model will add more features like what are parts of speech, like what is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, etc. for each and every word in a sentence. And this model can also find morphological information. And this model is used in text segmentation. In case whenever punctuation marks are confusing, like we don't know where to place full stop, where comma comes, etc. In the situation, we can use factorized models. Next, I will explain sentence segmentation in speech. The sentence segmentation in speech means whenever we speak, an NLP model listens our speech, and an NLP model will find where one sentence ends and next sentence begin. That is nothing but an NLP model will create boundaries whenever we speak. While we speak, we don't use any punctuation marks like question marks, full stops, etc. Based on our tone, based on our slang, and based on our speed, NLP model can understand our speech, and then NLP model will create boundaries. That is nothing but where one sentence ends and next sentence begin. For example, let's say I will speak, I went to market and I bought apples. So based on my tone and based on my slang, NLP model need to understand that whether it is single sentence or multiple sentences. Next I will explain sentence segmentation text. Whenever we give text to NLP model, by understanding the text, NLP model will identify where one sentence ends and next sentence begin. So when compared to sentence segmentation in speech, sentence segmentation text is best. A text contains various kinds of punctuation marks like question marks, full stops, etc. We can easily create boundaries. Boundary is nothing but where one sentence ends and next sentence begin. We call it as boundary. So finding boundary in text is very easy. But there are some problems in text segmentation. That is, abbreviations like Dr., Mr. and numbers like 1.5, December.5. These full stops are not end of the sentences. For example, I'll give text to NLP model like I met Dr. Nagendra Sai. He was kind. Full stop after doctor. It is not end of the sentence. So NLP model will generate output like he met Dr. Nagendra Sai. This is one sentence. He was kind. This is other sentence. This is output. So NLP model must not break after doctor. That is a mistake.